Welcome back to the show. You're watching Empathy is Money, and this is your host, your favorite one, Namdi Okorafor. And as always, I like to start the show by introducing you all to this one secret that I think will liberate us all: empathy. Empathy is the ability for every single one of us to walk a mile in another person's shoes. I challenge you all to do that one thing that separates you by finding out about the other guy. That person that you don't know, the stranger next door, doesn't matter their background, doesn't matter where they come from. Find out about them. Step out of your comfort zone. Learn about other people. This is what's going to unite us as a community. Or else we're just, we'll rip at the seams and we're all going to suffer from it. All right, diving right into the show. Today, just like always, I bring you all news, freshest news about non-fungible tokens, NFTs. What are NFTs? NFTs give property rights to digital content. Doesn't matter whether it's art, music, GIFs, JPEGs, audio, video, whatever content that you create online, you can have property rights on it. Whoever is the first to create that hash block on the Ethereum blockchain and tokenize that digital property is yours. That whatever address first creates that hash block, and you can trade it. And the more that NFT gets traded, the higher the value of it. So people who already have a community, like influencers and celebrities, their NFTs immediately have a higher value right off the gate because they have a community that's willing to pay for whatever they put out. So if you want to get into the NFT game, it's not too much about focusing on the arbitrage part of it and speculative part of it. Focus on creating a community. When you create a community, then the NFT gains value. Okay, so Ellen DeGeneres put this specific point to the test in her recent NFT release, which was a flop. But it's expected that it's a flop because it was a satire. She went about NFTs by it was kind of like she was on her show. She drew a cat with a pen on a piece of paper. She held it up like this and took a selfie with it, and she tokenized that picture. She was trying to create a point that any influencer or celebrity can put out any garbage, and people are going to trade it for a lot of money. On one hand, she's right, but on the second hand is the market will determine the price of whatever value or content you put out there, not what you think it is. Yes, she drew a cat on a piece of paper. It's just a silly picture that she took. But what people, I believe, I think one of them sold. She was only able to sell 5 out of 60 of them that they put out. And I think the most money she got from it was like 40 grand. That in itself is still a lot of money, and I think maybe it's her and her co-worker, her team, or she probably held a stick in front of one of her workers, like, you better buy that freaking NFT or you lose your job. Whatever the case may be, I think that the fact that she was even able to rake in 40 grand or $40,000 speaks to the fact that people are willing to pay for her digital content because of how much clout she has. She has millions of followers on all different platforms, and people watch her show. So here's the deal: build your community. Just like my man Garyvee is putting out, I don't know whether it's a platform or whether it's an NFT, but y'all better mark on your calendar May 5th. My man Garyvee is gonna be dropping his NFTs, and you better get in on it, because that guy has put in a lot of work in influencing people, in creating a community, in teaching you guys what it means to be empathetic human beings, teaching big corporations and out there making empathy cool again, and also letting people understand the fact that It's okay to provide value, and it's okay to practice compassionate capitalism. I buy into that philosophy. That's why I respect Gary Vee, and he's influenced a lot of lives out there. So I'm gonna be buying his NFT when he puts it out. I already marked it out on my calendar. The other thing that's important is MetaMask. If you want, in order to participate in NFTs, whether it's trading them or even tokenizing an NFT, you're gonna need a MetaMask wallet. In my previous video, I talked about how to create MetaMask wallets. You can click on it and watch it, or you can look it up on Google. It's really easy. Just search it, and basically what you do is you download the wallet and you set it up. You save your seed phrase, because that's what you use to recover the wallet if you lose your key, your private key. You never lose your private key, and never give out your private key. Your public key is what you give out. That's how people are able to send you crypto. But MetaMask is an Ethereum-based wallet that allows you to communicate with the Ethereum blockchain, and that's how you're going to be able to participate in any NFT auctions or NFT drops, or minting your own NFT on platforms like OpenSea.io, OpenSea, or Rarible, or Super Rare, Mintable.app. You can get on any of those platforms through MetaMask. It connects to it. It's really easy once you get to understand how to do it, and that's how you participate. So, guys, that's all I have for you today. I wanted to bring you all, up to speed on where we are in terms of NFTs. I'm going to continue bringing you this kind of content. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. I also recommend that you leave a comment in the comment section so I know what to talk about in the next videos, and or what kind of content you're interested in, because I'm going to talk regardless. But thank you for watching. Like the video, and I'll see you guys next time.